Storm's Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the iPhone SE 2022 for visible wireless. So as of this video recording, it is available for pre-orders. The phone will be out March 18th, guys. So today is March 12th as I'm recording this video. So the phone will be out March 18th. So it's available for pre-orders as of this video recording here. So this is the iPhone SE 2022 version. Yeah, y'all got to see the phone, right? It looks like the iPhone SE 2020, and then it looks like the iPhone 8. It's basically an iPhone 8 with newer hardware. Basically, what it is, outdated design, like a song bits. So y'all guys know what the phone looks like and stuff like that. So nothing new with the design of the phone. It's kind of disappointing if you ask me. So y'all guys have your power button on the right side, your Touch ID. Your Touch ID is on the front of the phone, of course. You have your earpiece, front-facing camera. Left side has your volume keys in your alert switch on the left. Your SIM card is on the right side of the phone. The iPhone SE is available in 3 storage options: 64 gigs, 128 gigs, or 256 gigabytes. So the 64 gigabyte version is $429 for the 128 gig and $579 for the 256 gigabyte iPhone SE. It's available in 3 colors: midnight, starlight, and product red. There, so there's your color options there. Yeah, this new iPhone has 5G on it, of course. So that's the main selling point, that it has 5G. So if you guys want that budget 5G iPhone, the iPhone SE is the phone for you. So that's the front and back. You guys have a camera on the back and the camera flash. That's pretty much it. Just single rear camera. Nothing special about the camera though. Like the whole design is like outdated like a motherfucker. It's a recycled iPhone 8, iPhone 7. Like, come on, this is ridiculous. There it is in 3 colors. So yeah. And what's in the box is your iPhone SE and your charging cable. That is it. There is no charging brick in the box, so they keep that in mind. Yeah, if you guys want to get visible insurance, y'all guys can do that. It says enjoy peace of mind knowing you are covered. Not available in all states. Right? Says hey, love the power, love the price. Serious power, serious value. The most powerful 4.7-inch iPhone ever. Apple says that every fucking year. So yeah. Lightning fast A15 bionic chip and fast 5G, big time battery life, and a superior camera, plus the toughest glass in a smartphone and a home button with secure Touch ID. So it's very cool there. So it has an A15 bionic chip, the same chip that it is in the iPhone 13 line. So that's good on that part. Display 4.7 inches. It's a Retina HD display. The resolution is crazy, like 754 by 1334 pixels or some shit like that. Some crazy ass resolution. The iPhone SE weighs 5.9 ounces. The dimension is 5.45 inches height, 2.65 inches width, and 0.29 inches depth. Of course, it has iOS 15, of course, which is the latest and greatest iOS version as of right now. Camera is advanced single camera with 12 megapixel wide camera, smart HDR4, photographic styles, portrait mode, and 4K video up to 60 frames per second. Front camera 7 megapixel FaceTime HD camera with smart HDR4, photographic styles, portrait mode, and 1080p video recording on the front camera. Processor, like I said, same processor as it is in the iPhone 13 line. A15 bionic chip for lightning fast performance. Storage 64 gigs, 128 gigs, or 256 gigabytes of storage. Battery fast charge capable up to 50% in 30 minutes with 20-watt adapter or higher. Sold separately, so you will have to get that separately. Yeah, it does not come with a charging brick in the box, so you will have to have that if you guys don't have one. It has a built-in rechargeable lithium-ion battery. Wireless charging works with Qi chargers, charging via USB to computer system or power adapter. Security, Face ID for secure authentication, and Apple Pay. So does have Face ID on it? Does it have Face ID on here? Maybe. I don't know. It says it has Face ID, but I'm sure it meant Touch ID. So it has 5G, of course, which is sub-6 gigahertz there. If you guys want to learn more about the iPhone SE, click down here and it'll take you guys to the Apple website to get you guys more information about the iPhone SE. So yeah. So there's the iPhone SE 2022 version, guys. This has 5G on it, of course. It's up for pre-orders right now as of this video recording. When this video goes live on YouTube, the iPhone SE should be available to purchase. So yeah, do you guys have the iPhone SE for visible wireless? Will be available March 18th. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It will help me out a lot. Peace, rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.